Grab a Phillips screwdriver and unplug your cord. Remove the 2 blower mount screws and set the blower onto the hearth. Remove the 2 thermostat screws. Remove the thermostat cover and set aside. Pull out and unplug the thermostat. Plug in the new thermostat. It does not matter which wire connects to which terminal. Push the new thermostat into place and reattach the cover. Reattach the blower to the stove. Plug in the blower and you are done. The blower will not turn on until the stove is warm.